Okay, let's start. Parents, please introduce yourself. Okay, hi, I'm Princess Mom. My name is Isa. So I graduated in education at I'm teaching college right now and took my master's degree and soon my PhD. Hi,
I'm Jeremy's mom. I'm a mass communication graduate as a summa cum laude and currently working in one of the biggest BPO company as a mind you.
Hi everyone, I'm Precious Mommy. I'm an engineering graduate. As of now, me and my husband are focused running our businesses.
Hello po, ako po yung nanay ni Mati. Dahil hindi po ako graduate, wala din po akong trabaho. Meron po akong mga alaga, 2 ibon, 3 manok, at 3 isda. Meron din po kaming mga halamang gulay. Meron po kaming sariling bahay at kotse. Meron po kaming gold bar sa bahay. Meron po kaming 2 milyon sa bangko. Salamat po.